Hi guys, I'm Laurent from thunderlaser. Welcome back to our workshop. Our support team received several requests about the Chuck Rotary accessory. You asked for it, so here it is, the official guide to mastering the Chuck Rotary Axis on your Titan series machine. Let's go to work! First, safety and space. Lower your working table to make a room for your Chuck Rotary Axis. First, place the Chuck Rotary on the table. Keep it parallel to the X-rail. Then, connect the plug inside the machine. It only fits one way. Second, grab your calipers. Measure the exact outside diameter. Here, as you can see, I have 83 mm. You will need this number in a second. Now, secure your mug. Tighten the chuck jaws firmly and then bring back the lower part to finally fix it. Now, position the laser head directly over the highest point of your mug. Once aligned, simply press the autofocus button. The Titan automatically detects the surface and set the perfect focal distance.
Hey, it's not the time to go on LaserMaker. So first, let's open our file. Yeah, that's it. So my Merry Christmas card. So as you can see here, I have my letters, here my 𝐦𝐨𝐫𝐞 file. Let's first check our layer parameter. So first of all, I want a shallow engrave mode. I will choose my materials, ceramic, perfect. Speed 1000 mm per second, the power 50%, DPI 300, and I put the air assist to high. This is perfect. Let's go on like this. Now, this is the most important thing. Let's go to the rotary panel. Let's enable it. And here I can choose two different kinds of rotary axis. So either chuck or roller. For me, I will use chuck. Cycle pulse, just let's set it up to 12,000. This is what I need. And the diameter, this is the diameter that we previously measured. So 83 mm. Save. Okay. That's all good. Just let's have a quick look on the preview to see if everything seems to be good. That's perfect. So now we just have to send our design to our Titan. So I can use the same button here, but I personally prefer to go to the processing panel and here, just click send. That's it. File has been sent successfully. This is perfect. And one thing, very important, after you send your file to the Titan, disable the rotary. Because if you don't do that, you will the gantry will be blocked in the y-axis. So that's why it's very important to disable it. That's it. All good. So now let's go to the Titan and just engrave our design.
Position the laser head over the highest point of your mug. Hit origin, then hit frame to check that everything will be engraved as you want on the good place. And watch the red dot to ensure your design stay on the cup. Hit start. The rotary syncs perfectly with the laser, giving you a seamless 360 degrees engraving. And this is how you unlock your 360 degrees creativity on the Titan. Simple, precise, and powerful. Subscribe for more, and do not hesitate to contact our support team if you have any question. And see you soon in the next one, guys!